Ever freeze when someone asks, "So, what do you do?" Feeling awkward can make even simple introductions stressful, but there is a way to speak naturally and confidently. One simple way to start is by using ChatGPT to craft a confident introduction. I will save the results in Google Docs so I can refer back anytime. I just type this prompt into ChatGPT. Give me three confident yet natural ways to introduce myself in a networking event. You can pause the video and copy the prompt, then try it yourself and save the output in Google Docs or Notes, whichever you prefer. ChatGPT gives actionable ways to make introductions feel smooth and confident. This is a helpful quick step, but long term confidence comes from building belief in yourself. That's what the Confidence Challenge does. It walks you through the 5-step method to internalize confidence so introductions feel completely natural. Plus, you also get email and ad templates and access to social media traffic strategies, giving you tools to take your confidence into real world opportunities. It's just $7 to start, beginner friendly, and you can begin today. Click the link below to join the Confidence Challenge and start introducing yourself with real confidence.